Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my presentations on the second ICRMIA 2020. Thanks to the committee for giving opportunity to deliver this short video presentation. So, the title of my presentation is Challenges in Indonesian Fiscal and Monetary Policies in Oil and Gas Sectors. Many thanks to my mentors, Professor Dr. Insinyur Bambang Juanda, Dr. Insinyur Ami Ratnawati, and Dr. Insinyur Abdul Muin for the guidance. So, starting with introductions, the picture on the left is showing the historical oil production and consumption. Starting in 2003, Indonesia becomes a net oil importer. The problem is the oil trade deficit becomes larger and larger. The table on the right is showing the rate of production declines during low oil price from the four biggest oil producers, which is also showing increasing trend. The picture below is showing the reduction of the new contract signings. When the oil price declined in 2014, almost 50% contract signing has been reduced. This is really a critical situation for Indonesia. That's why we need immediate solution for this one. Not only the production is declining, but also the investment in both exploitation and exploration investments are also declining. Even exploration investment declines until 89% in 2018. Therefore, the objectives of this article is to provide recommendation to increase attractiveness of Indonesian energy sectors by identifying variables affecting production, reserve, and investment, and secondly, providing empirical analysis on fiscal, macroeconomic, and other factors influencing production, reserve, and investment in Indonesian oil and gas sectors, and finally, provide recommendation for fiscal and monetary policies to enhance investment in oil and gas. Regarding methodology, I'm going to use power of ACM panels. Standard procedure of power of ACM panel will be applied, with starting with stationarity testing, optimum lag selection, co-integration test, stability test. With the final output will be the impulse response function that can be analyzed as a basis for policy recommendation. There will be 5 models to build, which contain relationship between variables between several variables, for example, macroeconomics with investment, production, and reserves. Research and discussion, response of investment to the interest rate shocks is mostly negative, meaning that reducing the interest rate is not going to improve a lot in terms of investment. And also impact of inflation to the investment is significant. As you can see that it provides negative impacts, meaning that controlling inflation will improve the investment. Also, the impact of the course or exchange rate to the investment is also negative, meaning that by maintaining appreciation of rupiah against US dollars will improve the investment. Research and discussion number 2 is empirical analysis of impact of investment types on reserve and productions. So exploration investments provides fluctuating, less significant, and non-permanent impact on proven and probable reserves. And the impact of development investment on proven reserve is positive, meaning that development investment success ratio is still high in Indonesia. Response of proven reserve to a shock of production is negative, meaning that by maximizing production without any attempt to increase or find new reserve will only accelerate the proven reserve depletion. Finally, response of production to a shock of production investment is positive, meaning that production investment success rate in Indonesia is still high. This is empirical analysis of impact of cost recovery on government take, production, and investments. As you can see, response of government take to a shock on cost recovery is negative, meaning that uncontrolled cost recovery will give negative impact directly to government take. Impact of investment to government take is positive, meaning that the more we invest, the more government take government will get. Impact of production to government take is permanently positive, meaning that increasing production will increase the government tax. And also cost recovery provide positive impact to the productions, meaning that increasing cost recovery, which in extent is investment, will increase productions. So the conclusion is, for the monetary policy, we should focus on top priority to control inflation, and the second priority is to retard depreciation of rupiah. Success rate of exploration activities is still needs to be improved by applying more advanced technology and providing more data availability and increasing research and development. And also the resource management should consider not only the short-term production to maximize production, but also to medium to long term by providing incentives to boost exploration and development investment in Indonesia. And finally, government should revisit against any government policies in the past which is based on misinterpretation of cost recovery, because this study proved empirically that the misinterpretation can be corrected. That's all my presentation. Thank you for watching.